All right, we have a quick look at a new tool for you. This is the Bessey GearKlamp, gear and then clamp with a K. This is the GK60, 60 millimeter by 600 millimeter, or 24 by 2 3/8 for the Imperial folks. Let's open this up and check it out. This is a fun new clamp that I've been playing with a little bit, but I just wanted to show you how this works. And so, first off, quick action here. Very smooth, grips when you want it to grip. That's pretty cool. But here, this is like the most important thing about this. This handle is what drives the adjustment screw. So as you clamp down in this really nice slide, and then a few twists and you're in business. So, how is this interesting at all? Let me show you in case you can't see it right off the bat. This is a traditional F-clamp, and the drive mechanism is directly linked to this. And so what Bessey has done is they've taken a series of gears and run them through the handle to be able to drive it through here. And so what you can imagine is that if you're clamping inside something, this handle is no longer in the way. You just need this much clearance to get inside a place like inside of a cabinet, like face frame, or anywhere really, to be able to clamp, which is just very cool. So let's take it apart. So as I was looking at this, I noticed that there's just 3 Phillips head screws holding this all together. So once you take these 2 little tabs and you push them in, you can get the handle off, you can get this cover off, and all of a sudden you're left with the gears that drive this. And so remember, the drive handle's down here, and so you can see how this works. It's quite simple. I imagine there was lots of fun engineering, working on ratios and that sort of thing. But here's what I'm noticing, is that all of these slide right off. In fact, all of them do. And they seem like either they're very replaceable, like they're going to need replaced, or it's just convenient. But I thought it was just so interesting. They're just sitting in here. And as far as backlash, it's pretty good. And you can see that I think they probably spent a good amount of time making sure that this was a sealed environment in here, because I've already got a bunch of dust in there, and that's really not what you want inside of your gears. That it's gonna, having more substrate in there is just gonna wear the gears faster as they rub together. So I just thought that was very interesting, and I'm encouraged that this looks nice and tight in there, that this cover is very rigid. So that plastic is not going to break. The handle is nicely sized. I have decent sized hands and it fits in my hand. So yeah, I'm thinking this looks like a pretty good product. We're gonna do some more testing, and I imagine it'll be in the magazine at some point. But that's a good little first look for you.